Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna share a website that is not popular. I don't know why it isn't popular yet, where you can get literally everything regarding UX. Now keep that in mind, UX, not UI. So basically, this website have a lots of things, terminologies, documents, thing, and other so much other things that you will need as a UX designer. Need means you have to learn all of those things as an UX designer. So let's get into this website and see what they are providing. So as you can see, the name of this website is researchbookmarks.io, bookmark.io, research bookmarks, all things UX research. All things UX research need, I think that would be complete. That would be a complete sentence because I don't know why they have mentioned it like this. But whatever. Let's get into our job. So first they have they have promoted their book, and here they have the stages of UX research: starting, conducting, analyzing, and presenting. So if we click on this, let it show up. So it will show us the program, no, program plan. What the heck? Not program plan. Like, what do you want to learn about? So what are the things in the starting section? They have all listed down all of them here. Let's click on any one of them. Let's just see research methods, and in the research methods section they have included the top blogs that is regarding this. So if I want to click on any one of the blog, okay, here is the blog, as you can see it. Okay, and I think, yeah, they have other blogs too. Here is another blog. See, so they have this. Now this is one portion. This is only the portion of stages of UX research. What comes beneath it, that is quick links. So quick links on what? First of all, research vocabulary, and if you click on it, you will get a really incredible thing, that is all of the terminologies and their meaning, like 80-20 rule, 3 click rule, 3 click rule, A/B testing, after listening, benchmarking test, everything is almost here. Okay, and they have the search bar also. So yeah, we can search it. We can search for things as well. So it's great thing, but their cross button is not working. So if you're someone who is from this website, man, cross button is not working. Please get it into work. Whatever. That is not our goal. Let's see another other things. So uh, in the other things, they have this research vocabulary is great. Here's another topic, that is UX research tools as well. So here are the tools. Name of the tools. I don't know what is the tag. Whatever. And URL, like, they have included all of those tools here as well. Now here we see a terminology that is A/B testing, right? So what is A/B testing? Determining which of two alternatives is better received by the targeted audience. Okay, and now here you have a A/B testing tool as well. See, so I can click on it and I can go to this website as well. So, oh, basically, that's why they have included tags. So, in with those tags, you can know for which category the tool is listed. So that is a great thing as well. Now, uh, tons of other things like this, like UX research courses, UX research book, podcast, UX in government as well. Wow, all of the other things, and that's basically it about this website. Okay, that wraps up the whole thing about this website. But the quality of the content they are at least providing here, not only just providing but listing here, is really really great. Okay, it is really some high quality contents that they have here, and the process of listing everything, defining everything, is really great. Like, what do you learn about, what do you want to learn about, in the starting section they have listed all of those. in the let's say in the conducting section they have listed some other things as well, like step by step deep dive, short articles, watch and learn, whatever they are included is great. So yeah, this website gonna help me a lot, and I don't do it often, like for fewer website I do it, and I gonna do it for it as well. I gonna bookmark it for myself. So so let's bookmark it. Where is my design tab? I don't know. What wait, choose another folder. Okay, design folder, yes, graphics essential, save, done. So use it. I know you're gonna love it. I'm going to use it for sure to learn a lot about UX. So that's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. If you know about some of the great websites, like those are super Ustams. So if you know about some of the great websites like this, please let me know about them so I can feature that in my future videos as well. So bye for now.